any legal protection for tenants who are under financial duress to negotiate rent and deposit?
Yeah, this I believe is must be a question that's largely asked. I'm sure there must be an economic impact on many of you during the COVID times, and especially for commercial operators or commercial firms who have large rents to pay. So there's nothing under law. The law doesn't provide for any exemptions. The law says that if you and I, or if the tenant and the landlord were to enter into an agreement, whatever the agreement says, such amount needs to be paid. But there have been some instances in certain states where some relief has been given, but relief to rent has not been given, because the term rent is, of course, is a private transaction between the landlord and the tenant, and the state has not intervened many times. Each state has their own tenancy laws, but it's not stood the test of time, so it's not really applicable in many instances, current forms of tenancy. But the state has not made any particular concessions for dealing with the tenant and landlord relationship. But however, having said that, the government in many places, many states, you might want to check up for your particular state, has waived property tax, has waived water bills, has waived electricity charges for commercial operators, noticing the impact the pandemic has had on their revenues. So you might want to check if your state has waived certain of these municipal taxes or municipal charges, which you would have otherwise paid if you were pre-COVID for running your businesses.